Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to androguru.com, your go-to channel for all things Android. Today I have something truly exciting to talk about, the revolutionary Nemo smart glasses and the amazing world of spatial technology. But before we dive in, let me ask you a couple of questions. Have you ever imagined a future where you can work, play, go to the beach and experience digital content seamlessly? And how would you like to have your very own virtual screen that you can carry around anywhere? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, this is the moment that you get ready to be amazed because the future is here with Nemo smart glasses. These sleek and versatile glasses are designed to boost your efficiency and convenience like never before. They are not just ordinary glasses, they are your gateway to a whole new dimension of spatial technology. With Nemo smart glasses, you can say goodbye to the limitations of traditional screens. These glasses provide you with up to 6 virtual screens right in front of your eyes, giving you the freedom to work, watch movies or play games that you don't even need a smartphone or laptop. And the best part, no cables required at all. Imagine being able to type away on a virtual keyboard, scroll through documents and even interact with multiple apps simultaneously, all while wearing these lightweight and stylish glasses. These glasses are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR1 processor, ensuring smooth performance for all your daily tasks, maybe work or anything that you do. Now I know you might have heard about the recent leak of the Apple Vision Pro, but let me tell you, these glasses have their own unique charm. They offer a focused approach to enhance productivity without overwhelming you with unnecessary features. No cameras, no speakers, just a pure immersive experience tailored for work specially and play. Well, imagine being able to go to work on the go, whether you're at the airport, coffee shop or anywhere else. With the Nemo glasses, you can maximize your productivity and take your work with you wherever you go. But wait, there's more. Where are you going? These smart glasses come with a sleek charging case that not only keeps your glasses protected, but also extends the battery life for up to 7 to 8 hours of usage. To be honest, it's a complete package of convenience and functionality. I also got to know from trusted sources that the Nemo smart glasses are all set to launch latest by August or September this year. So this is going to be exciting and I'm waiting to get my hands on it. Read the link in the description for more info. Alright folks, that's all for today's exciting glimpse into the world of Nemo smart glasses and spatial technology. If you enjoyed this video as usual and want to stay up to date with the latest tech trends in Android, don't forget to like, share and follow my social media. And of course, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content and updates like this. Thanks for watching and until next time, stay tech savvy.